most welcome. Today we are at Theo Art Academy. We are going to sketch a flower with a pen. You have to see some steps of drawing flowers for different shapes of flowers. Keep on touch. Here you will learn most valuable knowledge and skills of how to sketch. Free sketch with your free hand sketch. This is step number 1. So if you are new here, not subscribed, better to subscribe to our channel to get notified for other uploaded videos on Theo Art Academy. So as you see, we are in the end of step number 1 of sketch rose flower with our blue pen. So it's our freehand style. We also will learn another type of flower. This is step number 2. Step number 2. So just start with your heart, simple heart shape, and another circle middle. It's a freestyle, bro. It's a freestyle. So like our video for support and share for more views. That's step number 2. Can take step number 1 or this step number 2. All steps are being made easy. How to sketch flower. Just try it. You can do it. This is for beginners and our art lovers for Theo Art Academy. That's number 2, and also let's see number 3. How number 3? Let's start like a kid. Everything starts from simple to complex steps. Just be humble and take a pen or pencil and try these steps. We get good more than Theo Art Academy drawings. You can do better than us. That's how, if you have a pencil, you can shade. And also we get some studies for how to sketch, to get a better value for tone of objects. That's number 3. I think this end. Let's see number 4. Step number 4. Do we have a step number 4? Yes, there is. Let's see it. It's another type of flower. I think you know. It's a freehand style. You can do better than us if you have a pencil, if you have other sketching tool in your sketchbook or in your paper. Just take paper and try this method. You can do it, bro. That leaves. I think our steps as 4 steps ends here.